Category 7. Pensions and Retirement Benefits. 7 prior questions. Patterns include DC accumulation with employer match, retired-only actuarial liability with a payment guarantee, funding methods on final average and career average salary with spouse reversionary or COLA overlays, and a hybrid DB plus DC top-up with early retirement. Differences: DC fund math versus DB actuarial liability and normal cost. Traditional unit credit versus projected unit credit, salary projection into the unit credit. Overlays last, spouse reversionary, COLA on pension, early retirement optionality. Attack checklist. Classify the plan DC, final average, career average, or hybrid. Project salary and service and apply the accrual formula. Choose TUC versus PUC and compute actuarial liability and normal cost at the valuation date. Convert annual pension to monthly with Woolhouse if needed. Add death, spouse, and early retirement overlays last. Grounded variance. Excel final average early retirement AL and NC as question 1. PUC versus TUC on the same membership table, or a DC contribution rate to hit a replacement ratio alongside a DB floor. Climb all 7 pension priors after this. That is the strategy map for this category. Next, climb the prior exam ladder for this family in the companion markdown.